Well, I would kill for a beach day right now, but I'm chilling with Dan. What's going on with weather?
Just as good as a beach day, as it turns out.
Absolutely.
No, beach day is way better than that. It's nice out there. It's a little cool on the peninsula. Winds coming in off the water right now, 63 degrees at the Monterey Airport. Low 70s elsewhere around the bay. Santa Cruz still 78. Very nice on the north side of the bay. Inland areas are hot. Mid 90s in Gilroy. 97 currently in Morgan Hill, and down south we have 104 in Bradley. Even the Salinas Valley, we were in the 90s in King City today, down to 89 this hour. In most locations a little bit warmer than this time yesterday, especially away from the coast. Watsonville, the exception right now, 2 degrees cooler, but it has been toasty out there, and may even be warmer tomorrow. We do have a few low clouds on the south side of the bay. They've been fairly thin, and a couple of high clouds trying to stream in on top of them. But it's been mostly sunny. Even the low clouds that are out there, fairly low to the ground. They're kind of just misty, little fluffy clouds rolling in. So if you're down on the peninsula, a little bit of fog will be possible tonight as we start to see temperatures cool off a bit, but not too bad of an evening out there. Bigger picture is showing a big ridge of high pressure off across the Great Basin. This ridge, fairly strong for this time of year, bringing the heat across much of the state. There are excessive heat watches, or I should say advisories, and in place for the Central Valley, for example. So if you're just taking the day off tomorrow to head someplace, if you're heading down to the lakes, it's hot down there. If you're heading into the Central Valley, maybe you're headed to Fresno for some reason, it's going to be really hot there. Sacramento going to be very hot there as well. San Francisco, pretty nice, not too bad. LA, not too bad, not too bad. But inland areas and up in the hills, pretty toasty here as we head into the Labor Day itself. The picture on FUTURECAST is showing some low clouds tonight. There'll be low clouds because the marine layer is pretty low at the moment, only about 1,000 feet in depth, which means that the clouds could be on the ground. And when a cloud is on the ground, we call it, Taryn, fog, there it is. When a cloud is on the ground, we call it fog. Patchy fog possible out there tonight. We may see a little bit squeak into the Salinas Valley right along the Salinas River like we had this morning, but I'm not expecting widespread issues tomorrow. During the day, mostly sunny skies. Can't rule out a couple low clouds near the south side of the bay, but I think we'll see a lot of sunshine like we did today with only a few patchy low clouds out there. And temperatures for the most part heading upward. Take a look at the Santa Cruz Mountains. Boulder Creek 105. Ben Lomond, 101. If you're heading up to Loch Lomond, I don't know if it's even open this time of year. I've been up there a couple times. Sometimes it's closed, sometimes it isn't. It's going to be toasty at Loch Lomond, too. You're probably going to be in the 90s there on the water. 97 in Felton, 96 in Scotts Valley, 80 downtown Santa Cruz. The north side of town will definitely be warmer than that. The coast will be cooler. 76 in Capitola. The north side beaches, beautiful. Just a light breeze off the water in the afternoon. Light swell coming in, nothing major. Good swimming weather, especially around Capitola. 81 in Watsonville, 82 in Salinas. Not crazy hot, but warm for this time of year. 99 in Hollister. We'll hit the triple digits in Gilroy. Back toward the coast, more comfortable. Castroville, you'll have a light breeze offshore in the morning, which will warm you up, and then you'll hit around 69, and then the onshore breeze will kick in and cool you off. In and around the peninsula, highs in the upper 60s to mid 70s at the most, so a nice day around the peninsula with high temperatures above normal for this time of year. And then farther south, we'll see 90s in Carmel Valley and Big Sur, 91 in Greenfield, 96 in King City, and 109 tomorrow in Bradley. So you know where the heat is down south. So we look at the next 7 days. Temperatures staying pretty warm for the next couple. Somehow that Labor Day just migrated onto the wrong day. It is not on Thursday, my friends. It is tomorrow. Sometimes they just squirt all over the place. You scoot. Just get back there. What are you doing? Embarrassing me like that. Anyway, so we head into the weekend. Temperatures cooling down a bit. So we look at that inland forecast. You'll have wind in the valleys every afternoon. Look at the Labor Day. It's just, I hit save, and sometimes it just says, nah, bro, you don't own me. Get back to Labor Day is tomorrow, not Thursday. I don't know what's happening right now. It's going to be a hot weekend, and the winds are going to go in the valleys all week, but looks like we'll cool down a bit by next weekend.